Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, we solve the innermost parentheses. As you can see here, there is a 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 2. In BODMAS, you always start with the innermost grouping symbols to simplify the core components of the problem. First, we solve 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So now the current expression becomes curly bracket 36 divided by 6 and then after multiply square bracket 15 minus 7. So now solve for the second step. Solve the curly brackets and then square brackets. Step 2. Once the innermost parentheses are gone, we move to the next level of brackets to further reduce the expression. First we divide 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. And after 15 minus 7 square bracket, subtracting will get 8. Now the current expression becomes 6 multiplied by 8. Now the third step, perform the final multiplication. And according to this, with all the brackets removed, we perform the remaining arithmetic operation and calculating 6 multiplied by 8 equals to 48. So now 48 is the final result, and according to this expression, by using the BODMAS rule, by systematically clearing the brackets from the inside out, and the expression simplifies to 48. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.